making money in your business, but feel like everything else is on fire? You hit the revenue goal, the sales are coming in. On paper, things are working. But behind the scenes, it's chaos. You're answering the same questions over and over. You're doing things manually that should run themselves. You're the one holding every single thread. And you know that if you stopped pulling, the whole thing would unravel. Here's what most people won't tell you: revenue isn't the problem, structure is. More money doesn't fix a chaotic business, it just makes the chaos louder. And today I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and what to do about it. I'm Shelley Shulman, and I help business owners build the backbone that their business actually needs to run properly. The systems, the structure, the strategy, the whole picture. If that's what you're here for, subscribe. I drop a new video every Monday and I don't hold the good stuff back. Here's what's actually happening when your business feels chaotic, even though the revenue is growing. When your business was smaller, you could hold it all in your head. You knew every client, every invoice, every password, every deadline. It was manageable. Not because the systems were good, but because volume was low enough that you could be the system. But then the money started coming in. More clients, more moving parts, more things to track, to answer, to remember, to action. But the problem is the revenue grew, the structure didn't. You're running a bigger business on the same foundations you had when it was small. And those foundations, the one that you held together yourself, manually, with sheer effort and good intentions, they were never built to scale. Money doesn't fix that. Money exposes it. I've seen it. Every new client reveals a gap. Every new revenue stream adds another thread to pull. And every new thing that should run smoothly becomes one more thing that needs you to make it happen. That's not a you problem, that's a structure problem. And the frustrating part is that most business education gives you the strategy to make more money, but not the structure to hold it when it arrives. The first symptom of a structure problem is this: nothing happens without you. A client needs something, they message you. An invoice needs sending, you send it. Someone wants to book a call, they're waiting in your DM for you to find a time. Content needs scheduling, you have to log in and do it manually. Every single thing that happens in your business requires your direct input to make it happen. You're not running a business, you're being the business. And when you are the system, the business can only grow as fast as you can personally keep up, which means the more revenue that comes in, the harder you have to work, which means you're hitting a ceiling, not because the demand isn't there, but because there are only so many hours in a day and only one of you. The fix is not to work harder. The fix is for you to stop being the system and to start building one. Automate a booking system, set up an onboarding sequence, build a flow that answers questions before the client even has to ask it. Create the systems that do the things when you're not there. I'll get to how in just a minute. The second symptom is that your days are spent reacting instead of leading. You open your email and you answer what's there. You get a notification and you deal with it. Something breaks and you fix it. A client asks a question and you respond. You go from task to task, message to message, problem to problem. And at the end of the day, you've been busy for a solid 8 hours, but you can't point to a single thing that has moved your business forward. That's reactive mode. And it feels like chaos because it is chaos. A structured business is proactive. It anticipates the questions before the client has to ask them. It has the answer ready before the problem arrives. An onboarding email goes out automatically. The follow-up happens without you having to remember. The system catches those leads before they fall through the gap. Chaos thrives in the absence of structure, not the absence of effort. You're not working too little, you're working without a backbone beneath you. And that is fixable. So, how do you actually fix this? How do you start building a structure into a business that's already moving? Here's where most advice goes wrong. They'll tell you to audit your systems or map out your processes, which sounds right, but tells you nothing about where to actually start. So, let me give you the exact way that I approach this. Step one: write down the last 5 moments this week where you felt that familiar spike of stress. Not the big stuff, the small stuff. The moment where you had to log in manually to send something. The moment a client messaged asking what happens next. The moment you couldn't find a file. The moment you had to stop what you were doing because something else needed your attention right now. Those moments aren't bad luck. They are just your business showing you exactly where that structure is missing. Step two, pick one, not all five, one. The temptation with business owners is to try and fix everything at once, but that's how you end up overwhelmed and nothing gets done. You're not building Rome today, you're laying one brick. Step three, ask yourself, what would need to be in place for this to never require my manual input again? If the stress was a client asking what happens next, they're missing that information. So the answer is an automated onboarding sequence with everything that they need to know. If the stress was manually following up on an inquiry, the answer is a ManyChat flow or an email automation. If it was chasing an invoice, the answer is a payment system that does it for you. If it was somebody waiting in your DMs, waiting for a time to book a call, the answer is a TidyCal link or a Calendly link, something that's already been set up with your availability so that you just have to send them one link and everything else is done for you, even sending out the Zoom link that the person needs. You don't need to overhaul your entire business today. All you need to do is fix one crack, then fix the next one, then the next. That is how a backbone gets built, one system at a time in the right order. And here's what I want you to understand about that process. You don't have to figure it out alone. The what is usually obvious once you name that stress. The why is clear. You want to stop doing it manually. The bit that trips people up is the how. How do I build a ManyChat flow? How do I connect it to my email list? How do I set up an onboarding sequence in a way that actually works? How do I know what tool to use? How do I make them talk to each other? That is exactly what this channel's for. That's what I do here every single week. The what, the why, and the how. All of it. A chaotic business isn't a sign that you're doing it wrong. It's just a sign that your structure hasn't caught up with your growth yet. Revenue is proof that what you are selling works. Chaos is the proof that the backbone isn't there yet. Those are two different problems, and only one of them is about working harder. Structure first, growth follows. All you need to do is pick one crack and fix it. If you want help working out exactly what cracks you need to fix first and in what order, the link for my backbone audit is in the description. I go through your full customer journey as a real potential client and tell you precisely what needs fixing. And if you want the how, every week, free, no gatekeeping, subscribe. I drop a new video every Monday and how-to videos as well. I'll see you next week.